Well, I mean these bodies have seen some better days, you know, with some moisture and whatnot. Obviously, we all know that. But got some questions. How would you go about like cutting this out and replacing it? I have Wawa, the panel, and I got see better light over here. Got my MIG, um, just a regular little MIG with gas bottle and all that stuff. So I got the general shit to have this done. Um, does anybody have any links to a proper replacement of this panel? Help a guy out. Any issues I should look for and kind of figure out. But yeah, if there's anybody out there that can help me out with that, put some links in here or like some just words of encouragement and what not. That'd be awesome. Hey, thanks a lot. Later.